YouTube. I'm Matt, I'm a full-time wannabe. And that's what my channel's about. It's about me going from the house, getting into my custom cargo camper I built, hitting the road. And today, I'm chilling in the heat. I live in Houston, Texas. I actually live in Katy, West Houston. And we got the heat wave going on right now. It's about 104. Tomorrow's going to be even worse. I have no air conditioning in here. I have a fantastic fan. And I got my doors open. I do have a little USB fan here, which isn't on, because it actually does nothing as far as moving the wind, moving the air. I mean, it moves the air, but I don't feel it. So technically, to me, that's just using power that I don't feel. Because just having the fantastic fan on, it's a definite 20 degrees cooler, at least. I mean, it's still pretty freaking warm in here, you know, but I'm not sweating. I mean, it's probably in the 80s. I don't have a thermostat, but I mean, I go out there and just walk around the yard, and I'm dripping sweat. I mean, I'm dripping sweat. I just do a lap around the yard. And I only got like I'm in Houston, so I don't have a big yard. There's a little yard. So just doing a little loop around the yard, and all of a sudden I'm beating up. And I got sweat coming down. But I come in here, it's like, oh, way cooler. Especially when you first come in. When you first come in after being outside, it's way cooler. And you're like, holy crap. Oh. Well, once you've been in here for a little while, which I have, I've now been in here for about 45 minutes, just chilling. Just sitting here, remaking my videos over and over and over and over and over again, because I can't seem to take one take without being an idiot. I'm all new to this YouTube stuff. How to make videos. Everybody wants you to make videos on these super expensive equipment. I make my videos on a $25 GoPro and a $50 camcorder bought from China. Yeah, it's garbage. Yet here I am. So this video, you know, it's just basically about hanging out in the camper, you know. It's hot. But I could see myself sitting here playing some video games, just chilling. It'd be nice to have a little air conditioner, though. Not, you know, I don't want to run an air conditioner, but just something to run for maybe an hour or two in that worst time of the day, you know. It's 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock now. I came out here at 4. It's probably 5 o'clock now. It's 5:30. Holy crap, I've been out here an hour and 20 minutes. And this is fine, just the way I am. But you know, if I had like one of them a little small roll-around air conditioner, you know, so I could just run for an hour, 2 hours, you know, but you know, I think I suck my battery, especially with the sun up. I mean, I got 1,000 amp hours of battery, about 960, 980, somewhere like that. Got 800 watts of solar, but the way I'm set up right now at home, I'm only running 300 watts. I got it set up though for 500, you know, by I could put I wanted 2 panels that I could put out, you know, in case I'm in the shade, I want to park in the shade, I want to be able to get 2 panels out in the sun. I got mono panels instead of the poly panels. The poly panels, you know, you put your finger over it, they stop making power. Where the mono panel, I might have this backwards. Where the mono panel, I mean, I don't care if it's cloudy. I mean, I'm drawing power. I'm drawing amp hours to be able to charge my battery up. So I'm hanging out. Probably shouldn't be smoking. A little magic trick I used to do. Go, shaw. isn't bad. It's not bad at all. I just want to, kind of test it out. Let you know how I'm feeling. I mean, it's 104, it's probably 84 in here. I mean, it's warm, but it's not bad. It's cooler than it is out there. Kind of messing around with the last hour and a half while I've been sitting out here kind of, checking out how the heat's going to be. Like I said, not as bad as I thought. Pretty excited about this. This is the Google Chrome. I got a Wii Boost for internet. And my phone has, unlimited data. So as long as I can get my data on my phone, I hook this up to my TV in here, and I can stream, YouTube and Netflix and Hulu or whatever right off my phone onto the TV with this. It just connects by Bluetooth. Or Wi-Fi. I'm not sure how it connects. I only need it to mirror my phone to my laptop or to the TV. So this will actually do a lot of things. A little bit more than what I thought. I was more concentrated on one thing, but apparently this Google Chrome will do everything from Netflix, Wi-Fi, on its own. Like if you have a Google account and this will pick up the signal, it'll put it on your TV without your phone. But with my Wii Boost in a remote area, I'm going to do a video on this. I'm going to test this thing out and see what it really is all about. I mean, really all I cared about is my phone being able to broadcast to the TV, because my phone will get the service through my Wii Boost. But if this will pick shit up on its own and save me minutes or whatever, it could be a good thing. We'll see. The fan blew out my cigarette. So the fan's working good. It also helps to have a cold drink. So that drops the inner core down. So you fill up a tall boy with ice. This is the secret. Alright. I'll let you in on one of my secrets of keeping cool. The last hour and a half. You get a tall boy glass. You fill it full of ice. You put 2 fingers of Jim Beam down at the bottom. Fill it with soda. Now, flavor to taste. You might want 3. Because I sometimes do. Depends on the flavor of the drink of the day. But let me tell you, after a couple of these, this heat ain't so bad. So I might have to turn into an alcoholic. It's a full-time RVing superheat. Or maybe change it to water. Yeah. Who wants to do that? So anyways, it's just a quick video on chilling out in the camper at 104 degrees. It's warm. But it ain't bad. It's not bad at all. I'm not going to sleep at 104. Well, actually I probably could. Actually, I could lay down on this and be fine. It's cool enough to go to sleep. I mean, I've tented in hotter shit than this. Went right to sleep. After 5-6 Jim Beams. Just playing. Yeah. You want to know my little secret on how to bring booze here? Because, you know, Jim Beam, the handles, that's a big ass bottle. You know, the whole, half gallon. I'm limited on room here. So, I store my Jim Beam in a hip flask. Yes, I know what you're thinking. How many hip flasks do you got? 14? 20? Can you guess how many hip flasks I got? Go ahead and guess. Take a guess now. And you're all wrong. I got one. One big freaking giant one. And believe it or not, this holds an entire half gallon of whatever your favorite booze is. And look how thin that is. You can put it in your backpack. Yeah, it'll add weight, but it don't add much room. You know? And where I keep it in my cargo camper, here's my kitchen. Oh, my kitchen area. But it fits right there. Right out of the way. Don't even know it's there. You do your dishes, do whatever you gotta do. You know? I had to move all this stuff for a video I did on sinks. But I use this. See? Now it's in travel mode. Everything else can stay where it's at. I'm in travel mode now. That quick. Stupid China camcorder. It died on me. Those batteries don't last long in a $50 camcorder from China. It is what it is. Good morning, I'm feeling great. Had the fan on all night, the fridge on all night, charging things all night. Trying to see where I'm at on power. And check that out. I'm still at 92%. I got everything running. And I've only got, here's what's the crazy part. The crazy part is I'm only running with 300 watts on the roof right now. I mean, I've got 800 watts of panels, but home, being here, I mean, just don't need it. You know, I'm not running my business yet out of the camper. I'm doing everything inside. But it's nice in here. You know, it's nice and cool. It was nice and cool last night. I hung out here, till pretty late. You know, just hanging out and I just feeling it, the temperature dropping. So, sleeping at night, I don't care how hot it is during the day. Once the night comes, it's gonna be nice. Even if it's 75 or 80 at night, I mean, that's fine. Especially with the fan going, because if it's 80 and the fan's, kick in, and if it's 80 outside, it's going to be cooler in here, at least 10 degrees. It's probably going to be about 70 in here with the fan going, 75. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, 104, today's going to be another 104 day, so I'm going to be checking. Today's supposed to be even hotter. And, my goal, you can't control the weather. So, I might be in a place that I'm thinking is going to be nice weather, but you're going to get that 1 or 2 days that it might hit 100 degrees. I mean, you don't know. And, I just wanted to test it, without AC. I mean, I want AC in here. Eventually, I'll get it. Just something to run for an hour or two during that prime time, mega heat. If I'm in the middle of the desert, July, I mean, but I think I'm going to try to avoid that as best I can. So, yeah, that's it. I just want to finish off that video. Stupid China camcorder. Hey, but I make my videos with the cheapest stuff on the planet. Yep. Whatever. So, hey, please like and subscribe. I'm Matt. I'm a full-time wannabe.